take the flight. Oh yeah! Spain to Turkey, feel the light. Las Vegas nights, so bright, so bright. You get camping, stars in sight. Hangovers and hand pays, traveling in the best ways, best ways. Chris and Jolene on the go, round the world, let's steal the show.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We've been staying at the HG Lomo Blanco now for about 4 days, so we thought it was time we brought you across the street and showed you exactly what we think of the HG Lomo Blanco. So come along and find out. If you're going to be staying here soon, we'll have all the info contained in this video. So we're just starting across the street. We're literally right outside the Panorama Hotel at the minute, and we'll just go inside. So first impressions when we pulled up to this hotel was that it was really spacious and big in this lobby area. Beautiful, really friendly staff as well. Now if you're on a breakfast basis, you'll be in here for your breakfast in the mornings, and of an evening then this turns into a little bar cafe area. And all around here there's like some spaces where you can like just sit and lounge. There's also a library exchange at the back. I won't go over there because I think that man's having a meeting. And then to get to the pool and the rooms, you just push this button and it brings you through outside. I must say the gardens and all here are really well kept. They're always tidying them up and just always working the staff here. So as you're just round this corner then, this brings you to one of the first pools on site. There's 2 pools in this hotel apartments, so we'll show you the first one. There's also over here you've got a pool table. It is chargeable. I think it's €1 or €2 a game, but again the kids have all been playing that. And then again, if you're on that breakfast basis, you can sit out here, and they do have a restaurant as well and specials on, and they have a barbecue night on a Wednesday as well. But then we'll go up this way and I'll show you the snack bar and the little poolside bar before I take you to the pool. The only thing I would say is the clientele is a bit rough. This is the little snack bar then. So they have cocktails, and I'll get close enough so you can see the prices. So it's all very reasonable. Now we haven't eaten here yet, but we will try some food here before we go, and we'll let you know exactly what we think of that food then as well. And you can get all your ice creams and everything here. Looks good, I must say. Okay, so then the pool itself. Now it's currently, we did read online it was really hard to get a sunbed here, but it's currently 9:05 and there are any amount of sunbeds available around this pool. This pool would be a bit more livelier than the other pool I'll show you in a second. So this is like just the main pool here, and then down on this bit they have a little half-metre pool for kids, so it is very safe. And then if we just go around here, I will show you the other pool. I hope you can still hear me. It's a wee bit windy this morning, which always tends to be the case from in our experience as long as we've been here. It's a bit windy in the mornings, a bit windy of an evening, but during the day it's like afternoonish, it's lovely. So again, this is some of the apartments. You've got ones with like ground floor balconies, and then those other ones with higher up balconies are very spacious. They do seem to be doing a lot of work. This whole section over here is currently getting renovated as well, so if you're coming soon you might get a newly renovated one as well. And then this is just block B, which is where we're staying, and I must say we much prefer it. It's very quiet out here. We haven't really heard a noise at all. So there's a little kiddies park here, which is, we've seen kids use it all week. So yeah. And then This is the relaxing pool. So it's very quiet at this pool, very chill. Usually just adults only around here. In our experience this week anyway. And between 10 and 6, they do have lifeguards who just sit at those wee chairs as well. But yeah, that's the pool and the main grounds. There's also a gym, so I'll take you and try to show you that as well. And just here, actually behind the pool as well, there are some facilities. And I must say they've been very clean, really decent. Okay, the men have finished having their meeting now, so I don't feel so bad about walking through here. And this is where the fitness room is. So you've also got toilets downstairs and showers if you have a late checkout, so you can get, like, still enjoy the pool all day and then get showered up ready for travelling back home. They also have massages and hairdressing, and there's prices for that in the bedrooms, but I haven't actually checked it out, I must be honest. So we'll just go downstairs and check out what the gym's like. I'm not expecting great things. I'm sure it's tiny, but
it's locked.
Oh, currently locked.
You can get us a room view there.
Yeah. So there you go. There is an exercise bike, and I can just about make out a treadmill as well. And there's some weights over on the side and some free weights as well.
It should be open. You must have to ask reception because it's made a clock till 9 at night.
Oh, there you go.
So it should be open.
8 till 9.
You probably just ask at reception.
Ask for the key at reception.
There you go.
Yeah. So yeah, if you do that, and then that's the toilets for the ladies and the shower facilities, and men's are in there. All look very clean.
Yeah, it's the place is spotless.
It is spotless, isn't it?
Spotless.
Yeah. Oh look, and then there's the guides room, so if you go to the reps meeting, it'll be in there as well.
Alright, we just got around to your room 404, so let's take you in to have a look. And it's really, really clean, and it's very nice. Got our little kitchen area here.
And it smells of disinfectant, like it smells really clean.
Yeah, it's yeah, it is. It's pretty spotless. We've got our microwave grill here, and our little hob. Not that we'll use really much of this. Got our toaster, and even here there's a coffee maker. We've got our fridge freezer, and they give you a bottle of water as well for checking in. Lovely little living room area, I have to say. Nice and cool in here too. You don't get air conditioning in a lot of places in Lanzarote, and this is one of them. But to be honest, it's cool now, and it's like 2 o'clock. So yeah, good sized TV, nice comfortable area. We've got some bar stools. You've got some friends around. And this is the bedroom. All nicely decorated, and you got a safe. Is that our safe there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was €20.
€6 deposit, and then €2 per day.
€2 per day. So
Yeah.
you get your deposit, your €6 back then at the end. Yeah, so we're right at the back of the complex in the B block, and you've got your own sort of, the adults pool sort of back here. Basically there's no kids, they're all the main pool, and it is nice and relaxed vibe back here. So we'll take you, show you the bathroom, which is also very nice and clean. Nice shower there, good size, toilet, and yeah, all good. Very happy with this.
Towels get changed twice a week, and the bedding gets changed once a week as well.
So yeah,
on check-in. You get loads of like wee amenities and things.
Yeah,
That's
you
really
do.
good for self-catering, because you don't normally get that. And
no, you don't.
even over here in the kitchen, like we have a little dishcloth, some washing up liquid,
Yeah.
and so even that's really
Yeah,
handy.
it is. You don't have to go and buy those sorts of things. So yeah, very good. So
Can we see the balcony?
good first impressions, and yes, of course, save the best to last.
Quite a big balcony actually.
Yeah, I think you'll get the sun out here all night. So yeah, that's nice. And then, as I say, there's our view there, and this is quite sheltered at this part as well, so keeps you away from the wind. This is beautiful. Yeah, really like it. This is quite handy, just down from a room. You can pay to do your washing before you go home. That's very handy. €4 to wash your clothes. We might do that. Alright, we got some burgers from the snack bar here. So this is cheese and bacon burger, $6.50. Let's see what it's like. Alright, so I went for the cheese and onion burger.
Brown sauce?
I got some brown sauce on it, even though he's ready to put ketchup on it, so oh well. Well, this was £4 or €4.50. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's so good.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what the smell reminds me of? Like the burgers that you get from like a chip van at a festival or something.
That's
Yeah.
right, yeah, like catering burgers. But they're beautiful. The cheese is lovely. The kebab, he's slightly toasted that as well. Really good. Well worth $4.50. Oh, lovely stretchy mozzarella cheese there. Yeah. What's it like, Kitty? Is the burger good?
I would get it again.
You would get it again?
Yeah.
There you go.
And at night time, the bar still remains open, so it's currently 12 o'clock, and you can still be inside the hotel bar just having a drink. So that's another good perk about these apartments. Really good. And you've got Rod Stewart playing in the background there, and still got a nice view of the pool and everything. Yeah, it's good.
Alright folks, so we're going to round up our stay at HG Lomo Blanco here. What did you think?
I really love the apartments.
Yeah.
Everything's been clean. The maid has been fabulous. Like even tidying around after us, like moving things, stacking my toiletries all up nice and neatly.
Yeah.
I really can't fault this apartment.
I love them. Yeah, I have to say, I much prefer up here. If you've got no kids, you want to be in Block B up the back with the small swimming pool. Definitely. There's nothing to stop you even if you stay down there coming up
to sunbathe up in Block B.
There's lots of sunbeds available.
I love the fact that you've got a little nearby, you've got a spa nearby. The spa is cheap for sure. I would go there over, if you come out of here and go down the steps, there's another supermarket, but that one's a bit more pricey. The spa around the corner was cheaper for us during our stay.
What's great about this, self-cater, normally you need to go and buy all your washing up stuff, like washing up liquid sponges, all that. Yeah. They give you a little pack here with enough fairy liquid to do you for the week, with a scourer and also a cloth, dishcloth, and they give you 3 toilet rolls when checking in, and we thought we'd have to go and buy more, but no, the maids replenish them halfway through the week.
And also another tip is you can bring your drinks to the pool from the room. That's a massive saving for people.
Yeah, it is, It is, yeah. We done it anytime we're at the pool. We just brought a few beers down from the fridge, had them and just came back up, and never any issue. Very relaxed.
Overall, I would come back and stay here, and I would recommend it to anyone apart from people with mobility issues.
Yes, 100%.
Unless you're going to be willing to take a taxi every night to the front. This place wouldn't be for you if you can't handle hills.
Yeah, that's
it's only €3 there and back.
No, to the front from here.
Yeah.
If you're literally going down a hill, it'd be like $1.50.
Yeah.
Maybe €2 maximum. Yeah.
It's not that much.
That's the only thing. Yeah, and taxis are here pretty quick.
Yeah.
Beds extremely comfortable, like 4 out of 5. Slept really well every night. Pillows excellent, very comfortable. Safe was cheap. There was no air conditioning, but we didn't need any.
No, for
cool
April
enough.
we didn't need any, and you got that fan for free.
Yeah, you got a fan brought to you as soon as you checked in. I got a survey sort of halfway through the week, how's things going on our table. For some reason it got a bit wonky, and I said about it, and in 10 minutes we're up and fixing it, no problem. From answering the survey, so they're really attentive and good attention to detail.
Yeah, like the whole area around the apartments has been spotlessly clean. The gardeners are even raking leaves that have fell off the trees out of the stones.
Every day,
so
they rake the stones and everything. It's very clean.
Final assessment, out of 10, what would you rate this? For what we... and I don't know if we've said, but we paid 610 for the week.
Yeah,
that was
it
our
was-
flights and everything.
Yeah,
from
it was a bit more.
Manchester.
It's more expensive. Like you could go to Turkey this time of year and get self catering for a week for probably 270 quid. We
Yeah.
paid a lot more.
Yeah, we did pay a lot more to come here, but
It's a lot cheaper when you get here than the likes
Yeah.
of Turkey and that. But we've looked for next year, and it's only £440 with EasyJet at the moment.
yeah, exactly.
Absolutely,
So, I would
snap
pay
your hand
that.
off.
Yeah, that's
yeah.
a really good bargain.
Yeah, I would give it 8 out of 10. Things to improve on would be the TVs. My brother and sister-in-law and their kid are staying at Habel
Bermudez.
Jabal Bermudez for people that, like me that don't pronounce things right. And they have a smart TV and everything. If a smart TV in here with Netflix and YouTube
Yeah.
will make a hell of a lot of difference. Just really that's about it. What else could you say?
That's it. That would be my.
That's really it,
That's
yeah.
not even a gripe for me because
No,
I'm not
it's
a
not.
TV person. So,
No,
but yeah.
yeah, loved
Other
it.
than that, yes. If you're thinking about coming here, we can back that it's very good.
Yeah, and the food we tried today was really good as well.
Yeah.
I know it was only a burger, but we've seen like the big tuna baguettes and everything going out, and they look huge and
Yeah.
really, really nice. So 100% we'll be back here, and to be honest, we've even been on today looking at prices to come back
next
next
year.
year. Yeah. So next May is like 440 quid in the EasyJet sale.
Stop telling everybody we want the bargains for us.
We'll have a book before they find out. Don't worry. Yeah, superb, guys.
So yeah, if you like this video, please consider giving our channel a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it, and it really helps us out.
Yeah, thanks guys. And if you want any more information on the apartments or even Puerto del Carmen in general, put it in the comments. We get back to absolutely everyone in the comments on the channel, and any
And we have a
information
whole
you need.
vlog series on this trip
On
as
this
well.
trip, yeah,
so
we do.
just
We have a daily
search
vlog.
Lanzarote in our channel and you'll be able to find it.
Yeah, with 7 episodes on Puerto del Carmen and also a trip up the volcano. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everyone. All the best. Bye bye.
Pack your bags, let's take the flight. Oh yeah, Spain to Turkey, feel the